Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to request money on PayPal. PayPal is a secure global payment platform that allows you to send, receive and manage money online. And one of its useful features is requesting money from friends, family or clients. You can request money using just the recipient's email address or the phone number without sharing a bank details. And this is particularly useful for the freelancers receiving payments from clients and collecting payments. So first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down paypal.com and enter it, and make sure to log into your account if you already have not so. And over here select to this request money here, and this will open a page where you can enter the recipient's details. You can type the email address or the mobile number of the person you want to request money from and make sure the information is correct. PayPal uses this to send the request. And after that you can enter the amount you want to request, choose the currency and add a note, and you can review the information you entered in this activity as well. The recipient will receive a PayPal notification and email letting them you requested the money. And thank you for watching this video. I hope it could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down. We will reach out to you very soon.